Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty with another video, and today I want to talk about 4 ways to save money and make money at the same time. Now, I've been doing a lot of research where to invest my money, how to save more money, how to make more money, because everybody wants to do that. And I thought of 4 ways that you can start building something now so you be set for the future. So there are 4 ways that what I'm doing right now, I'm currently doing, and these 4 ways you could take it. You could take it as it comes. So the first thing I want to talk about is getting a blog set up as soon as possible. And most of my videos I talk about getting a blog, but if you start a blog today, and start putting content on it every week, do 30 or 40 blog posts on it, let it sit for a year, it can start getting some serious amount of traffic and starts making some serious amount of money. Okay, so start your blog. You start a blog paying like $3-4 a month. Domain name is $10, but with my link below the video with Bluehost, they'll give you a free domain with your new account. So that saves you money. So number 1, start a blog. Number 2, we'll start a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is free to start up. It'll cost you nothing to post videos. It costs you nothing to upload videos. It costs nothing to start a YouTube channel. And a YouTube channel, I've seen a lot of people make 10, 20, or 30K a month on YouTube. And it's free. It is free. It'll cost you no money. It don't take a lot of time. And you can make some passive income. You can do 3-4 videos per week and let that accumulate and make money. If you're scared of being on camera, if you're scared of people judging you, you have to get over that, because either you're going to be happy and make extra money or be focused on other people's opinions about you. So the third thing is, what I've been doing a lot of research on that I have not joined yet, but I will do it today, is join the Acorns app, investing in stock. And Acorns is the app where it will invest your spare change per se. So if you spend $1.50, so it will rhyme to the nearest dollar, which is $2. So add 50 cents and take that 50 cents and put into an account, and they will invest that money into stocks for you. So this will be a great way to save money, but also invest in some stocks and learn in stock trading and learn how to buy stocks. And instead of you taking your check and I'm gonna throw $40-50 on a stock, you use your spare change. So when you spend $175 on something, or you buy gas and you buy $20 and 90 cents of gas, it will take 10 cents, run to this dollar, and put it into an account, and you can take that money and invest it in stocks. And I see a lot of positive reviews of Acorns, so I'm gonna join today, matter of fact. So in the future, look for those videos for Acorns, and I'm gonna make a video. Hey, I just started. I'm gonna do a video. I make a brand new account and I give it maybe 6 months. I'm gonna do my spare change. I might do like $5 a week, and let's see how much money I make from that. But that's another way to save money and make money without even putting in extra money. So those are 3 ways. The 4th way is to get on Uber. Now, Uber is a good place to make money. It's easy money, because all you're doing is picking people up and drop them off where they gotta go. The app tells you, Google Maps tells you where to pick them up and where to drop them off at. It's a good business to make. But here's the catch. People don't realize that on Uber, yeah, you can make good money, but you're an independent contractor, and your vehicle is your business. So now, I'm not a CPA or a tax expert. Okay, I'm gonna put that out there now. I'm not a tax expert, but if you do Uber and make a certain amount of money, okay, you can write off your gas, your oil changes, your timing belts, your tires, stuff we buy all the time. You need gas in your car. After 3-4 months, you need an oil change. After maybe a couple years, you need a timing belt. After 3-4 years, you need tires, whatever. You need maintenance done to your car every once in a while, new brakes, rotors. So why not get on Uber, do Uber 3-4, maybe twice a week, some on weekends during the holiday season, because when it's really busy, making some extra money. And when tax time come around, keep your gas receipts and write off your gas for the year. That's just smart, because you got to buy gas anyway. You got to get the oil change done anyway. The timing belt, the water pump ain't gonna fix itself. So you have to pay for that. So why not write off your taxes and get that money back? And Uber is free to sign up. Only thing that costs you Uber is your gas and time. But your gas and time, you're writing off your gas. So, you know, you write off your gas, you write off oil change, you're writing off your car totally. So if it costs you $400 or $500 for a timing belt change, write off your taxes. So get on Uber. Uber can make you some money and it can save you some money. So those are 4 ways what I will suggest that will help you make money and save money. And the most expensive way would be getting the blog, probably cost you the most money, and Uber, because it costs you gas and time. The Acorns app and YouTube just cost you time. I think Acorns is like $1 a month. $1 a month for the account. YouTube is free. The blog is, $4 or $5 a month. For hosting, and domain name $10, and Uber just takes your gas and time. So, those are 4 ways you can make money and save money at the same time without even changing your lifestyle too much. Without have to, start a brand new business and invest all this money. You don't. And today, I seen people online on YouTube make $10K a month posting videos using their cell phone for free. So you have to get in the game right now. Do a video a day. Do 2-3 blog posts a week. Get on Uber in the weekends. Do a Friday night. Do for 3-4 hours. Come home. Make your 3-4 trips. And do this throughout the year. Write off your gas, oil changes, your timing belts, tires, anything that car need to be fixed on. Write off your taxes. Again, I'm not a tax expert. I'm just telling you what I've written off in the past when I did Uber. So Acorns app, invest in stocks, use your spare change, invest in stocks, make you money in the future. So those are all 4 ways that not passively, but these 4 ways can make you money, can make you a lot of money and save you money. And I would say a fifth way to save more money and make more money is to start paying off more debt. Whatever debt you have, car note, credit card, focus your extra money from Uber to pay those things off. Because once that credit card is paid or the car note is paid, the money you was sending to it is now yours. So you're paying $250 a month for a car note. Now that $250 you were sending all them years and months, you don't gotta pay no more. So you have $250 extra a month. That $250 extra a month on top of you doing Uber, on top of you investing in stocks. So that $250 could go towards stock market. You go towards a blog, or go towards a YouTube channel. That's the way I look at it. So I guess it'd be 5 ways. 5 ways: YouTube, blog, Acorns app, get on Uber, and pay off debt. Pay off credit debt. Pay off this debt is occurring every month, and once it's paid off, it's done. I don't care how small it is and how big it is. It can be $20 a month loan. Pay it all, because that's $20 you can invest in stocks. And that $20 you're gonna put in a savings account and get interest on it every month. And that's another way. And get a new savings account, get a high yield account or a money market account. Invest money in that and get more return on your money. So there are ways to make money and save money nowadays without changing your lifestyle or without hurting your pockets. So those are my 5 ways to save money and to make money at the same time. I hope you do one of these. Let's do YouTube and Acorns, because that's nothing. That's nothing. Doing a video, 10 minutes out of your day, do a video, and it's nothing. It's nothing. So that's what I would do. And any comments, concerns, let me know below the video. I have links to Uber. I have links to once I sign up Acorns today, I'll give you a link to Acorns. And you want to start a blog, and I think with Acorns app you get $5 into your account if you sign up on my link, I believe. And I have a link to Bluehost to get your account on Bluehost, and YouTube. Just go to YouTube and start a channel. TyFitSKing.com. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video with people who want to start making extra money and save money at the same time. People say they can't do it. Well, I'm telling you, you can do it. You got to put a little work into it. Thanks for watching.